Hello, today I'm going to show how to get Kane's Slow Chemical theme song back in WWE 2K24. This method only replaces in-game music, existing music, and generic themes. And the first thing you need to do is open this link in the description from Smack Talks and install Sound Editor by the Visitor X. So you scroll down and you will see this reveal hidden contents. You click on it and you click on this link. If you don't already have it, you should also install the dependencies, and so make sure you have these installed as well, and click on the first link if you have them. It will say setup soundeditor.exe and you download it. Click on download anyway, and when you open it up it will say this. You just click on more info and run anyway. When it asks you to click yes or no, you have to click yes. It will say sound editor setup and you just click next. I accept. Click next, 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 and next again. This version of sound editor will work from WWE 2K14 up to 2K24, although 2K24 requires some special files for it to work. So when it's done, you have to uncheck this first because we have to install something, and then click finish. When it is done, you open up your start menu and right click on sound editor. If you don't see this, you can just search for it. Click on more and open file location, and right click on it again and click open file location. And now you would have to open the PWM Discord. It's also in the link in the description. And here you would have to get some files from the files in the resources. So click on files and then you will see uh, these three files. So download all of these files. So when you have downloaded them, save them in a folder and open up your 2K24 directory from Steam. Open up the www2ogg.zip file. And if your Windows says the archive is either unknown format or damaged, go back to your browser and click on your downloads. And if it says file is not commonly downloaded, you can click on it and then allow download. Click on it and open it. You will see this folder. Now open up the sound editor directory and open up the tools and drag this from here to here. If you do not, and click on do this for all current items and continue. If you do not have this program WinRAR, you have to install it. You can get this from rarlab.com and then download and install it from here. Go back to sound editor and open up database. Open up the www_2k24.zip file and drag this from here to sound editor database. Continue and close. And then the last file, you have to open it up and drag this from here to here. Do not drag it in here. You have to drag it to the space so it doesn't insert it into the folder. So just here and replace. And when you have done that, open up Sound Editor. When it has opened up, you can click on Settings, and change the database from 2K24. If you do not see this, that means you have done something wrong, so watch the video again and click on it. And if you want, you can toggle the dark theme and click save. So I've already converted the song and I've uploaded it on a site so you can download it yourself. It's in the description. Mine has fire at the start as well. But if you want to convert your own from YouTube, you would need to use this sound converter. And to use this, you would have to create a text file somewhere, it doesn't matter, just here, new and text document, and just name it something like sounds. So if you want to convert some music, just paste the link here. If you want to convert more music, you can just press enter and write even more if you want. But I'm just going to convert one of them, so click on file and save. When you have done that, you can drag this here and you can boost the volume if it's too low. You can test this in the game and see if the volume is good or not. And when you're ready, you can press process. So click on file and open. Go to 2K24 and then the sound folder. All the music themes will be in these pack files from here to here, from music to music 8. So you can just go through all of these and see which one it is. When you have opened the pack file, you can click on name once or twice and it will sort it in alphabetical order. And you can go down and I can see Kane 2008 is here. So I'm just gonna, you can play it if you want, but I'm just gonna import. So when it is done importing, you will see it over here. I have added my own version. It's also in the description if you want it. This one has fire at the start of the theme. And as you can see, it has worked as it should. It has replaced Kane's old theme with Slow Chemical. And you can do this for all theme songs, including the generic ones. So you can use it for My Rise and Universe Mode and all of those. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.